Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Minecraft launcher not working problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step, you just need to open up Chrome, search for Java download, click on the first java.com site. You just need to scroll down, select the download Java option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install this setup guys. After getting installed done, you just need to close tab here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type app data. Click on OK to open up. Double click on the roaming folder, Minecraft folder. In here, you just need to find launcher underscore profile dot json. Launcher underscore profile dot json. Right click on it and delete it. After deleting it, just to close tab here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type Minecraft. Right click on the Minecraft launcher and select app settings. You just need to scroll down, select the repair option and repair the game. After getting repair done, just close tab here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type Minecraft. Right click on the Minecraft launcher and select run as administrator and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall Minecraft and reinstall it. To do this, go to search menu and type Minecraft. Right click on the Minecraft and select uninstall and uninstall it. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to search for Xbox. Click on open it. Go to search menu and type Minecraft. Press enter. In here, you just need to scroll down. Select the Minecraft launcher. Select the install option and install it guys. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.